So in this video, we'll be doing a review of Astha trade. We'll be talking about the brokerage charges, we'll be talking about the Demat account, the trading account, the margins, all other charges, fees, and more. Astha Trade is a discount stockbroker based out of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, established back in 2005 as a full-service stockbroker. Astha Trade has physical locations across 100 plus cities of India through its sub-broker and franchise network. The broker is known to provide high exposure or leverage to its clients across multiple segments. Furthermore, fund transfer have been made pretty simple by the broker with a provision to use Paytm as well. Astha Trade has a membership with NSE, MCX, SX and NCDEX and allows its clients to trade across the following segments. That is equity, commodity trading, currency trading. Let us discuss now about the brokerage charges. For equity delivery trading, it charges Rs 0.10%. For equity delivery trading, it charges 0.10%. For equity intraday trading, it charges 0.01%. For equity futures trading, it charges 0.01%. For equity options trading, it charges Rs 10 per lot. For currency futures trading, it charges 0.01%. For currency options trading, it charges Rs 10 per lot. For minimum brokerage, it is percentage of transaction. And Demat AMC charges and trading AMC charges are free. And margin money is minimum of Rs 10,000. You can also use brokerage calculator that is there in the Astha Trade brokerage website. Astha Trade broking charges is moderate in comparison with its competitors. Its brokerage charges are mentioned in percentage with a maximum cap assigned at value based on trading segment. Its brokerage charges can be effortlessly calculated through Astha Trade brokerage calculator. Now let us talk about a Demat account. A Demat account is used to store the securities and other investment products that you buy from the stock market. If you have existing shares lying with you with any other broker, you may choose to transfer shares from one Demat account to this broker. Furthermore, if you have shares in physical form, you can get the dematerialization done into your Demat account as well. At the same time, you may choose to open your Demat account offline as well. Now about the trading account. When you buy or sell securities from the share market, you need a separate account for such activities. That account is called the trading account, and this stockbroker has a provision for that. This is different from the Demat account since the storage part of the bought securities is outside the scope of the trading account. If you are looking to perform just intraday trading, then ideally you should just need a trading account and Demat account opening is not required. This is valid across all stockbrokers in India. So how do you open a Demat account with Astha Trade? You can open Demat account by following the steps below. Click on the link that is given in the description below and fill up the form. You will receive a call from the executive who will fix up a meeting with RM. RM will ask you to mention all the necessary details such as applicant name, date of birth, contact details, and so in the KYC form. You will even be asked to submit your birth and address proof, PAN and Aadhaar details, one passport size photo, and one of your identity proof. After the submission of your documents online, Astha Trade sales team will fix appointment with you for verifying your details, and after completion of verification process, your account will be accessible within 24 hours. Now let us talk about the margin. In case you are looking to trade above your trading account capital, then you may choose to use exposure or leverage in your trades. In this case, you can use trade as per these multipliers. For equity delivery, it is 4 times for delivery. For equity intraday, it is up to 40 times. For equity futures, it is 10 times for intraday. For equity options, it is 7 times for intraday. For currency futures, it is 3 times for intraday. And for currency options, it is 2 times for intraday. And for commodity, it is 10 times for intraday. Let us now talk about all other charges or the fees. Here are the details of Astha Trade other charges. The transaction charges are 0.00315%. The STT is 0.0126% of the total turnover. The SEBI turnover charges is 0.0002% of total turnover, and stamp duty depends on the state. It is very minimal. And GST, it is 18% of the total brokerage plus transaction charges. And beside brokerage charges, there are a couple of Astha Trade other charges which are imposed during trade, such as stamp duty, GST, STT, and more that we just discussed. However, these are just nominal charges and goes directly in the pocket of government. So to conclude, Astha Trade is the foremost trading platform in India. It is performing well in equity, options, commodity, and other underlying asset at various stock exchanges. It is accelerating its growth by providing low brokerage charges to the investors, and investors can opt for the broking house if they are seeking for high exposure or leverage. So thank you so much for watching this video. The link to open the account is given in the description below, and you can also visit our website stockquantum.com for more information.